Today we are going to learn about profit margins, dropshipping versus Amazon FBA. We'll explore the key differences in profitability between these two e-commerce models. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to calculate and compare profit margins, allowing you to optimize your business model. Welcome to our video on profit margins, dropshipping versus Amazon FBA. Profit margins are a critical measure of profitability, representing the percentage of revenue that exceeds the costs of production. In the realm of e-commerce, understanding profit margins is essential for making informed business decisions. Today, we will delve into how these margins differ between dropshipping and Amazon FBA, two popular business models in the online selling world. We'll explore the basic calculation of profit margins and discuss why they are a vital component of any successful business strategy. By the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how to evaluate and optimize profit margins in your e-commerce ventures. Let's begin by understanding what profit margins are. Essentially, a profit margin is the percentage of revenue that remains after all expenses have been deducted from sales. There are two main types of profit margins: gross profit margin and net profit margin. The gross profit margin is calculated by subtracting the cost of goods sold from total revenue and dividing the result by total revenue. This margin reflects the efficiency of production processes. On the other hand, the net profit margin accounts for all expenses, including operational costs, taxes, and interest. It provides a more comprehensive view of profitability. In the context of e-commerce, profit margins significantly influence pricing strategies. A higher profit margin allows businesses to have more flexibility in pricing, marketing, and expansion. On the contrary, a low profit margin may necessitate cost-cutting measures or price adjustments. Understanding profit margins is crucial for assessing the overall health of a business and planning future growth strategies. Dropshipping is a business model that allows entrepreneurs to sell products without holding inventory. This model typically offers lower overhead costs since the need for warehousing and inventory management is eliminated. However, typical profit margins in dropshipping tend to be lower compared to other e-commerce models, often ranging from 10% to 30%. This is primarily due to the high level of competition and pricing pressure, as many sellers offer similar products from the same suppliers. Factors affecting dropshipping margins include supplier pricing, shipping costs, and the quality of product listings. To improve profit margins in dropshipping, sellers can focus on niche markets to reduce competition, negotiate better terms with suppliers, and optimize their marketing strategies to increase conversion rates. Additionally, offering unique value propositions or bundling products can help differentiate a business and justify higher prices, thus improving margins. Amazon FBA, or Fulfillment by Amazon, is a service that allows sellers to store their products in Amazon's warehouses. Amazon takes care of storage, packaging, and shipping, which provides significant advantages such as eligibility for Amazon Prime and access to a vast customer base. However, these benefits come at a cost, as Amazon charges various fees, including storage fees, fulfillment fees, and referral fees. As a result, profit margins for Amazon FBA sellers typically range from 15% to 30%. Factors influencing FBA profit margins include product category, competition, and Amazon's fee structure. To enhance profitability, sellers can focus on optimizing their product listings to improve sales velocity, choosing high-margin products, and effectively managing inventory to avoid long-term storage fees. Additionally, leveraging Amazon's advertising tools and participating in promotions can boost visibility and sales, ultimately increasing profit margins. When comparing dropshipping and Amazon FBA, one of the primary differences lies in their cost structures. Dropshipping operates on a no-inventory model, which reduces upfront costs and financial risk. However, this model often results in lower profit margins due to intense competition. In contrast, Amazon FBA requires investment in inventory, which increases overhead costs but offers higher potential profit margins due to the advantages of using Amazon's fulfillment network. The choice between these models depends on factors such as budget, risk tolerance, and business goals. Dropshipping offers flexibility and lower startup costs, making it ideal for beginners or niche markets. On the other hand, Amazon FBA provides scalability and access to a larger customer base, which can lead to higher profitability in the long run. Ultimately, understanding the key differences in profit margins and cost structures will help entrepreneurs choose the model that aligns best with their business objectives. Several factors can affect profit margins in both dropshipping and Amazon FBA. Market competition plays a significant role, as high competition can lead to price wars and reduced margins. Supplier pricing is another crucial factor, as favorable terms can directly impact profitability. Shipping and fulfillment costs also influence margins, particularly in dropshipping, where sellers may face variable shipping rates. Implementing effective product pricing strategies is essential to maintain healthy margins. This includes understanding customer demand, competitor pricing, and perceived value. Additionally, operational efficiencies, such as optimizing supply chain processes and reducing waste, can lead to cost savings and improved profit margins. By carefully managing these factors, entrepreneurs can enhance their profitability and succeed in the competitive e-commerce landscape. Understanding the cost structures of inventory versus no inventory models is crucial for evaluating profit margins. Dropshipping's no inventory model allows for a low initial investment, as sellers don't need to purchase products upfront. This reduces financial risk and allows for easy entry into the market. However, the lack of inventory control can lead to challenges in managing product availability and quality. In contrast, Amazon FBA requires an upfront investment in inventory, leading to higher storage and fulfillment fees. This model offers greater control over inventory but involves higher financial risk. The balance between risk and reward is an important consideration, as holding inventory can lead to higher profit margins but also impacts cash flow. Entrepreneurs must carefully assess their risk tolerance and financial resources when choosing between these models to ensure sustainable profitability. Evaluating fees and shipping costs is an essential aspect of managing profit margins in e-commerce. Amazon FBA fees include storage fees, fulfillment fees, and referral fees, which can significantly impact profitability. Understanding these fees and how they are calculated is crucial for accurate profit margin assessment. In dropshipping, shipping costs can vary based on supplier location and shipping methods. These costs directly affect profit margins and should be carefully managed. To minimize costs, sellers can negotiate better rates with suppliers, choose cost-effective shipping options, and optimize packaging to reduce dimensional weight charges. Transparency in fee structures and shipping costs is vital for maintaining trust and competitiveness in the market. By effectively managing these costs, entrepreneurs can enhance their profit margins and ensure long-term business success. Let's explore a case study of a successful dropshipping business. This business identified a niche market with high demand and low competition, allowing them to offer unique products that appeal to a specific audience. By establishing strong relationships with reliable suppliers, they ensured consistent product quality and favorable pricing terms. Their innovative marketing strategies, including targeted social media campaigns and influencer partnerships, helped them build brand awareness and increase sales. Despite facing competition from other sellers, they focused on differentiating their offerings through value-added services and exceptional customer support. This approach allowed them to maintain competitive pricing while achieving healthy profit margins. Over time, the business achieved sustainable growth by continuously optimizing their product offerings and expanding into new markets. This case study illustrates the importance of strategic planning and execution in building a successful dropshipping business. Now, let's examine a case study of a successful Amazon FBA business. This business leveraged Amazon's fulfillment network to reach a broad customer base and benefit from Prime eligibility. By carefully selecting products with high demand and low competition, they were able to differentiate their offerings and capture a significant market share. They optimized their product listings with high-quality images, compelling descriptions, and strategic keywords to improve visibility and conversion rates. Additionally, they utilized Amazon's advertising tools to drive targeted traffic and increase sales. Effective inventory management allowed them to avoid stockouts and minimize storage fees, contributing to healthy profit margins. As the business grew, they scaled their operations by expanding their product range and exploring international markets. This case study highlights the potential for success with Amazon FBA when strategic planning and execution are aligned with market opportunities. To increase profit margins in e-commerce, entrepreneurs can focus on several practical strategies. First, prioritize high-margin products that offer better profitability and align with market demand. This may involve analyzing market trends and customer preferences to identify lucrative opportunities. Optimizing supply chain processes, such as negotiating better terms with suppliers and reducing shipping costs, can lead to cost savings and improved margins. Enhancing the customer experience through personalized services, responsive support, and seamless shopping processes can boost customer loyalty and sales. Utilizing data-driven decision-making allows businesses to make informed choices based on real-time insights, leading to more effective marketing and operational strategies. Lastly, continuously innovating and adapting to changing market conditions ensures long-term success and competitiveness. By implementing these strategies, entrepreneurs can enhance their profit margins and achieve sustainable growth in the dynamic e-commerce landscape. In conclusion, understanding profit margins is essential for making informed business decisions in e-commerce. We've explored the differences in profit margins between dropshipping and Amazon FBA, highlighting the impact of cost structures, fees, and shipping costs on profitability. Key factors such as market competition, supplier relationships, and operational efficiencies play a crucial role in determining success. By effectively managing costs and implementing strategic planning, entrepreneurs can enhance their profit margins and achieve sustainable growth. Continuous improvement and adaptation to market changes are vital for long-term success. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has provided valuable insights into profit margins in dropshipping and Amazon FBA.